Alright you guys, so this is the hair for today, and this hair is from Alipearl. I am wearing a frontal. It came pre-plucked and I just kind of plucked it lightly, but the lace was a little bit too long, so I had to cut it during this video. You guys didn't see because I put that part out, but it came pre-plucked. Made the wig yesterday. It is 3 bundles and a frontal, 22 inches. Oh my gosh, you got my belly. You guys can see 22 inches, 26 inches. It has to be 26 inches. 22 inches. They did not give me 22 inches. This is wearing like 26 inches. This is not 22. So it's saying that I have a 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, and 22. This is not 22 inches. This is wearing like it's 16 inches up in this. Let me fix my little bralette down here. Good. It's wearing so long. Yes, so it is their Brazilian straight. Oh! What's this? Girl, you better lay down. I ain't playing with you. Oh, this is my Vanity Planet flat ironing brush. I had another what do you call it? Like traditional flat iron that can curl. Girl, I gave that away, honey. I am so exhausted. Anyway, it's not a pregnancy update, but anyway, yeah. So Alipearl Hair, Brazilian straight. I love it. It feels nice and coarse. How Brazilian hair should feel. It feels really, really good. Really good. So if it's a cross between Brazilian and Peruvian, whichever it is, I'm gonna link it in the description board for you girls, for you guys, for you everyone. Second or third time working with Alipearl. I think it's my second time. I can't remember. But if I got a bad hair from them, you would not see it on this channel. I like it. I like it. So I'm getting shedding, but I made the wig last night, so I'm allowing for some, you know, like no shedding. But as the hair wears, sorry, it will not shed as much as it is. No, because I just made the wig. You know what I'm saying? Running my fingers through that mud. Running my fingers through that mud, honey. Woo, girl. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't believe this 22. This cannot be 22 inches. And look. It looks as if they cut it. You see that? Girl, what is going on? Alipearl, are you spoiling me? Don't be spoiling me, Pearl. Pearl, don't do it. Okay, so I have nothing more to say about this. I feel like I'm wasting time. All the information will be linked in the description bar below. Did I show you guys how I applied this hair? Yes, I did. Good. So you guys can see how I applied the hair. Oh, and it's a talk through tutorial. That's nice. Good. But for the rest, for the makeup portion of this video, it will not be a talk through video. I may do a voiceover. I may not, depending on how I feel. I have a dentist appointment tonight. Excuse me. I have a dentist appointment tonight. I'm actually doing a root canal, and it's a 2-step process. So like my gum on top is extremely raw. I know that's TMI, but it's raw. So just talking, it's very uncomfortable. Drinking, eating, like anything that involves my mouth is very, very uncomfortable. But I'll keep you guys updated via my Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff. So follow me, and don't forget to check out Alipearl, and please enjoy the rest of this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Whew. Come on, Mama Jackie. Alright, hi guys. Before this video starts, I'm going to apply my wig. And this hair is from Alipearl Hair. So let me just go ahead and throw that on right there. So usually I cut off the edges and stuff and glue down all that good stuff. But I won't be doing this for this video. This is their Brazilian straight. If I'm incorrect, I will definitely put it in the description for you guys. But I have worked with Alipearl before, and girl, let me tell you, this hair comes so pretty. And let me turn the fan off, because yeah. Alright, so I will not be tinting the lace or bleaching the lace for this frontal, because this is a frontal. It's 22 inches in 22 inches in all. So it's a 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch frontal. So I'm going to take my Sasha Cosmetics foundation. This is in perfect, this is in perfect bronze. And I'm actually going to be applying this on the lace on here. right? So I saw this being done on YouTube and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try it. And I did, and I actually liked it. It gave the tinted look without you adding bleach to the hair. So if you're new to new to working with frontal, sorry, I suggest you go the foundation route, because that way you don't have to be the hair, you don't, because sometimes the bleach mixture that you use sits too long on the frontal, or even the lace, and sometimes you actually end up losing hair because it is basically over processed. So I like this step, and I'm so grateful the day I found this. What, I don't know what's go. Oh yeah, this hair sheds. It does. Okay, so I'm going for some more, but not a lot. Just a little bit more. Every day I love you just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Dinner wall. Alright, let me go ahead and just add some of my Huda Beauty foundation. Alright. So I'm mixing the two. And I'm putting the Huda Beauty like more on the lace. Like further down on the lace, right? Alright, so on the lace. So now I'm going to apply the cap first. Alright, so ear tabs. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just get my trusty Pump It Up. I'm going to just paste this down. Let me see. Alright, hi guys. So I am doing a voiceover. So that was my Sasha Cosmetics matte primer, mattifying primer, sorry. So I'm going to take that and apply all over my face, and I just want you guys to know right now, my eyeshadow creased. I'm just gonna get it out the gate right now. My eyeshadow creased, but my foundation looked so sexy for the entire day, honey. And as I predicted, this hair did not shed on me as it was as much as it was in the video. So in case you don't know, this is the same day I should have had my dentist appointment, which I had to cancel because I had a doctor's appointment, like the regular checkup when you're pregnant and stuff. And I actually confirmed with, when my dentist called, I confirmed with her, and then I forgot that I confirmed, and I was well on my way home, honey. Somebody don't know how much I'm at. Yeah, I said, crap, can we do for next week Tuesday? Fine. My gum that I was telling you guys about, it's still raw, but I feel like I'm TMI, but it's still raw, but it's getting better. My fear is by the time I go back next week, it's going to be even worse. So anyway, this is the look. It creased on me, but I think it creased on me because I sprayed my eyes. I should have not sprayed my eyes, you know. Ow! Like sitting by me. Should have not sprayed my eyes. Like probably like put my hand over my face. Like I always see these girls and like, why are they doing that? No, I know why they do that. Because it might like screw their eye makeup up, which it did that for mine. So this foundation, oh my god, I love it so much. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys because I didn't say it in the video. It's to highlight, like, you know how this white powder from Sasha Cosmetics is what I use, and I mixed it with my very own all over face powder. So I made my own little nudish powder there, and it just highlighted my face to perfection, honey. You know what? I'm gonna do a video and show you guys. I'm gonna do a full face foundation. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. And oh, and in that video I can recreate one of my eye looks. Oh my gosh, I have so much videos planned for you guys. Let me go ahead and tell it because I can't keep my mouth shut. So I'm gonna do that video where I do the foundation. Boom, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna be doing some recreated looks that I did years ago. But two, no long run, two of them alone, my girl. Bam. And the third one is reacting to my what's in my baby bag video. Because I was looking at what's in my baby bag video, and I was like, girl, what did you bring? No, what you bring, goodie? Goods. Good evening, what did you brought? What were you brought? So I'm going to do a video like that, and I'm also going to be doing a new what's in my baby bag video, but that's going to be on my Lyric Uncut channel. What else? Yeah, that's it. But yeah, so as I was saying, this Alipearl Hair did not shed for the rest of the day, and I just knew it. I'm so grateful for the the knowledge I have with hair, like reviewing them for so much years. It's like I know when I hear something shed just for a while, and then it soon be done. Hallelujah. Halle truffle chan child. And it didn't shed for the rest of the day, girl. This entire look, you guys, I am mad in love with. I know I'm just talking, but I mean, y'all see what I'm doing? I'm giving you tea right now. Not really, probably some lemonade. I'm giving y'all some juice. Hell, I might be giving y'all some water. I don't know. Y'all might be drinking water right now. Ain't nothing flavored. Boo-boo. But yeah, if you're not following me on my vlog channel, the baby girl, what are you doing? Go check it out. I mean, confusion, turmoil. I swear I have the most fun in my voiceovers because you guys can't see me. You don't see how I look. Oh my god, I look toe up from the flow up, honey. And I'm just here talking. But okay. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I love this look so much. I think orange just pops on my skin. It just makes me look like beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to apply these lashes. They're from a lash line. We have 3 styles available right now, so I'm going to be applying these. And because of how it's shaped, like it goes up like from small to large, I'm going to apply the lash where it kind of kicks out and give me like a cat eye effect based on how I did my brows and how I kind of lifted my eyes. I'm liking that cat eye thing.
God bless the boy DJ. I'm gonna say it's all about long suffering. No? Yeah, what? Have faith and wait. Hear me know. What me say Christmas come but only once a year. But the age I wait on the 25th. And you what? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night, and the boss go fire me that can't be right. The landlord want for your rent by tonight. Me want food for bite, and me not even have money can't afford for bite. God knows me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, no in the house. Baby a ball, and me can't take this operation. I work and say me a go try it, but me a feel it. Them a put up a fight.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I love this. I mean, the lip gloss is a lot heavy, but I love it. I'm not wearing any blush. I'm just glowed up to the gods, honey. But I love this look very much. And I'm genuinely surprised. I'm like, girl, did you do this yourself, honey? This is nice. This is nice. And this is what the lashes look like, see? Alright, so this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video, and please go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be alerted. You will get emails. If that annoys you, then don't click it. Just come back here and watch some more videos and stuff. But please don't forget to subscribe, as well as leave a comment down below. I am responding to my comments. I will not get to all of them, but I am responding to your comments. Thank you so much for your support over these couple of years. We're at 207,000 subscribers. That means about. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.